Okay, this is just a quick introductory video here on Label Connector for QuickBooks Online. What our labeling application can do is you can connect to all of the different order types for QuickBooks Online, as well as you can synchronize customers and products and services. When you use products and services, there's all kinds of ways to synchronize items, search for items in special ways. But basically the idea here is you can use all of your QuickBooks Online data, and I've already connected here to a company file, and you can design a label to farm that data to print rapidly and accurately. We also give you a full label designer where you can design, roll style labels, sheets of like address labels or product labels using Avery sheets. And you can also do reports, various types of invoices, bills of lading. We can customize and let you create the output that you want, designed your way for, taking that invoice data and translating that into a formatting that you need, maybe with barcodes on it, etc. So I'll just kind of get into each one of these sections just briefly here. So if you make a roll type label, you just put the dimensions in here and you just can start dragging things. It's very simple. You can add an item, barcode. You can use any of these data sources to take data out of your QuickBooks Online and make a label design. A whole host of data elements, endpoints, if you will, that can be just immediately dragged out onto our label design to make a label. All right, so if I go over here, and we'll just go back to the home page here real quick. You can also make a sheet style label, picking a lot of the popular Avery sheet styles here. You can load that up, and what this is showing you is just one of the labels on the sheet in this preview, but this will do these like in the Avery 5160 formatting, and you just drag anything onto this little area here to do sheet labels. And then kind of going back and forth here a little bit to just give you an overview. And then lastly, to go to the report designer, we can do things. I'll pull something in from our library real quick here. Basically, like the idea would be, we're going to pull in like a customized invoice here that has barcodes on every line, pulls the address information. You can do all kinds of things here with this to create your own formatting for invoices, bills of lading, packing slips, things like that. So full comprehensive designer, lots of capability to do sheets of labels, rolls of labels. We do have an Android app that we've released as well that can be turned on for doing scanning in various ways, that comes with it for an extra add-on fee. Lots of ability to sync your data in a real detailed, comprehensive ways. So give a call to AccuWare if you have any other further questions about Label Connector for QuickBooks Online. Thanks.